first cuddling session ever! I'm so excited! First, we'd have kind of a consultation, right? You were saying?
A talk, yeah.
A talk. Okay,
Yeah.
and what would be some of the questions you'd ask?
Well, so first I go over a welcome chat where we go over like our communication agreements. We're gonna let each other know if we ever feel uncomfortable. Really like reaffirming that like this is all about you, Sarah. You know, this is all about what you want, and it's like not about my routine, anything like that.
What are we gonna do? We're
cool.
gonna.
Yeah. So then, let's see. I would ask you, yeah, like, do you have any thoughts on how you might like to share touch today, if you feel ready for that?
Well, I do enjoy touch. Like, I definitely love like touching people. Wait, I want to do a couple. So let's try lying down first. So what is a client
sure.
doing?
So maybe lying down.
Do I get a pillow?
Yeah, pillow's good.
Okay.
So lying down. Aw, she's ready.
Okay,
Would you like to be like front spoon or back spoon?
Back spoon, right? Like I'm little spoon.
You'd be like the little spoon.
Yeah, I'll do little spoon.
Would you enjoy like your hair or face being lightly stroked?
Yes.
I really enjoy this. I feel like it's just so like sweet and tender, and I feel like it's something that you get so little. First of all, is it okay if I arm or?
Yeah, go for it.
Cool. Yeah, it really depends on what they want. So some like, yeah, it's really not up to me. It's really, if they like silence, sometimes we have like totally silent sessions, and that's wonderful. Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay, well this is amazing. I'm feeling like super relaxed.
Can I like nuzzle your like ear? Or
Sure,
something?
go for it.
Like just we said, I'm like, oh, you're so sweet.
I'm already asleep.
Great. Well, okay, cool.
Kyle, I wish I had something to say, but so I'm ready for sleep.
Aw, that's good.
No, it feels very relaxing.
Well, if you have any requests of touch you'd like to receive or different ways to be held or squeezed, just let me know. I'd love to hear what you want and just how it can make it the best time for you.
Wow.
And like I like that's what I say with everyone, but like I'm really meaning that with you, Sarah. Like that's what I like to do.
It's just it's such an interesting feeling. I actually feel totally relaxed.
That's cool. I mean, yeah, it's obvious that you're really like comfortable with touch and that you're.
Yeah, I can fall asleep like
one.
this. Yeah. This is like
We're gonna get like 8 minutes of you sleeping. Is that what's gonna happen? Live.
Totally. I'm like, wow.
I can lay down and have like your head on my chest, or if you like, you can lie like face up or face down, and I can lie like partially or fully on top of you. You can lie down and put your head there if you like.
Oh my god.
I think we should really get the whole experience here.